असं मानितलं का
पहिला
आता दोन्ही भेटायला राहील
Without obtaining necessary environment clearances, Maharashtra government has started work of the dam in Fukeri village of Dodamak Taluka, which will going to create lot of environmental and ecological problem, because this area earlier identified by Dr. Mhadei committee as eco-sensitive area. When the area falls in the eco-sensitive, it is the duty of the state government as well as central government to protect it rich forest cover. You can see how evergreen forests have been destroyed, degraded in this area by the Maharashtra government, and bulldozers, JCB are already in operation clearing the large tract of the forest, and all this forest is the evergreen forest. So these all evergreen patches of the forest have been destroyed for the purpose of building the dam in this area. So one can see at the back side of me the historic Hanumangarh fort, the fort that was built by Sawantwadkar Bhosle. So this fort is already standing. So area where once upon a time the environment and ecology was well protected. Today Maharashtra government has initiated the work of the Fukeri dam, and you can see lot of trees have been chopped, forests have been cleared without obtaining necessary clearances, neither from the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, nor from any statutory organization, and work is going on. So the MLA of Maharashtra of this region, Deepak Bhai Kesarkar, began the work in this area, and the assurances were given to the local people that this water will be used for the drinking purposes. Already in Talkad, Zulambe, Asane and Fukeri, people get the drinking water from the natural sources. However, the construction of this dam will going to create lot of upset in the groundwater table, because the water table regime in this area will be disturbed and degraded. So Maharashtra government, by constructing this dam, is creating a lot of problem for this area. So unless and until the Goa government take the cognizance of this degradation, it is very difficult to stop this work. We are not against any developmental project, but when the work is undertaken without understanding the environment and ecology, it will going to create lot of problem. So this forest is acting just like the sponge. So when the monsoonal rain falls in this area, the water is absorbed, and then the water percolates through the soil into the springs and streams. So all these natural sources of water will be disturbed and degraded. So this construction of dam will going to result in environmental losses, ecological losses, and human-wildlife conflict will be intensified in this area. Presently, the bison, the leopard, the tigers, all are coming into human settlement, and the issues of wild animal and man conflicts are also on rise in this area. So this all problem will be intensified and will create more problem for the local villagers, and whole of the Dodamak Taluka will be threatened by such type of the development. Already the dam which is very near to this area in Shirwal is silted because of the deforestation. A massive silt has been accumulated in the reservoir of the Shirwal dam, and the capacity of water holding of the Shirwal dam has been declined. So on this background, one can see the work is also going on in the eco-sensitive area of Fukeri, which will going to create more problem for this area.